Hello, basic English class, presentation topic report writing. Contents. The presentation provides an overview of the topic report writing, report meaning, uses of a report, qualities of a good report, parts or components of a report, types of reports, steps or stages in preparing a report, examples. Report. A report is a document written for a specific purpose to give an account of something, an event, situation, occurrence, discussion, meeting, etc. A report presents information about some subject in a factual and objective manner. Report. A report provides information about some subject or matter. Reports may be related to various subjects or matters. The structure of a report may differ based on the purpose and subject matter of the report. A report may be brief or concise or comprehensive. Some uses of report. A report can provide information about some subject or matter, can help in decision making by providing relevant information, means of communication, can provide feedback on some matter or subject. Qualities or characteristics of a good report: accuracy of facts, clarity, relevance, logical presentation of information, conciseness, objectivity, simplicity and unambiguous use of language. Parts or components of a report: title, acknowledgements, list of contents, executive summary, introduction, analysis, conclusion, suggestions or recommendations, appendix. Note: the structure of a report may differ based on the purpose or type of report. Reports are classified into different types of reports: formal reports and informal reports, reports by individuals and reports by committees, informative reports, analytical reports, interpretative reports, periodic reports, routine reports, special reports. Steps or stages in preparing a report: 1. Planning the report, determining the purpose, kind of report required, etc. 2. Collection of data. 3. Analyzing the data. 4. Preparing the initial draft or outline of the report. 5. Preparing the final report. Note: reports may be of different types and may be prepared for different purposes or reasons. Report writing examples: preparation of a report of an educational or study tour of a college, preparation of a news report of an annual day event or function of a college, preparation of a progress report of a study or project undertaken by a student. Thank you.